Thinking to enhance the product page? Feel like adding more information? Hello, I am Neha Janoti, a Salesforce developer at WebCommerce Software Private Limited. Today, I am going to tell you how to add a dynamic tab in WedgeCommerce. This is the configuration page and I have opened the catalog tab. We will go to the product section, select the product, click to edit, where we want to add a dynamic tab. Scroll down, click to the button, create dynamic tab and enter the values we want to add additional that are displaying other than the details that we have already added in the descriptions. As you can see, I have added certain details like display or audio features here, and I will save this and we'll see the application site that I have created. I have logged in as a registered user. As I can see, there is another tab for display, and these are the features that I have added. If you want, you can display more tabs as per your need, and I will add a new tab right now over here. We'll be displaying colors. I will give an option for colors, like this depends on you, what all information that you want to tell to the buyer. I want to add certain information that these are the colors that may be present on special demands or something that are there. And I will save this and again reload the page of the site. After I have reloaded it, I can see there is another tab for the colors. Similarly, you can add more tabs as per your needs. If you want to display a component that is already created by the application, then you can, and whenever you are creating a new tab, let's suppose whenever we are creating a new tab that is component, I'm naming something that is something I have added, and when you look to its help text, you can just need to enter the name of the component here in the description so that that component displays over here, and then we can view it. If you don't want to add it another layout, then we can even utilize it as a dynamic tab in the product. I hope you found this video beneficial for your business. Do like and share your reviews in the comment section. If you have any queries or concern, please feel free to connect with us at support@webcool.com. Thanks for watching.